This is the wired headphones, well, earbuds. Today, Sennheiser released the IE600 earbuds. This is a wired earbuds, not wireless, wired, and it's geared more toward audiophile and serious listeners. This is the middle model of the series. They have the IE300, IE600, the one that I'm reviewing today, and also the IE900. The IE600 is priced at $700 US MSRP. It's not a cheap set of earphones, but you know, Sennheiser. To start with, the shell of IE600 are made of ZR01 amorphous zirconium. I don't know what that is, but it's the same material that's being used on Mars rover. The interesting part is that the shells are created using a 3D printing process, so it's not molded, and it's then flash frozen to keep the metal from forming crystal during the cooling process. This is a very hard material and light at the very same time. These earphones use the 7mm true response driver and produced in the factory in Ireland. So it's not the China stuff, but it's actually made in Ireland. So to test these earbuds, I'm using my Sony Walkman MP3 player or media player with all the songs in FLAC format. As usual, I'll be using my own recording, Judas Priest, Ram It Down, Seventh Son of the Seventh Son, and also Shirish, and a whole bunch of other recording from the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. As for the results after 2 weeks of listening, I have to retire all, and I really mean all, of my reference earbuds and earphones. The IE600 is the most neutral earphones that I own. It is very neutral, and it's not warm, it's not bassy, it's just right. With everything very neutral, with only slight bass being boosted. The bass is very dynamic, powerful, with good impact, but it's not boomy. The bass has presence, but without being laggy. The vocals blend nicely, and it's quite impressive actually. And the treble, well, this is the best part. It's tuned in a safe way. It's not sharp, it's not too energetic, it is not aggressive. Overall, the Sennheiser IE600 is tiny, it's well built, and it's super comfortable. Price is a little bit on the high side, but you know, it's worth it. And if you're looking for the tiny earbuds with a sound as big as an over-the-ear, this is it. So what do you think about this video? What do you think about the IE600? Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.